Hey guys, how you doing? Dr. Wise here. I know common question I get frequently is, what's a sign of a good facelift? I mean, how do we know that a facelift has been done well? The best facelift is the facelift that no one really knows about. I mean, the idea of a good facelift is one that doesn't look operated on. We obviously want a significant change. We want to change in the sense that we want the jawline and neck to be stronger and tighter. As we get a little older, we get drooping of the jowls on the jawline, and also we get some fullness and laxity in the neck area. So we obviously want to correct that. But the best facelift is one that doesn't really affect someone's essence. And the essence that I'm talking about is the eyes, nose, mouth. We don't want a pulled mouth. We don't want a pulled nose. We don't want the eyes to look pulled in any way. We want it to look natural and normal for that individual. So for that reason, people should say, oh, gee, you either did you go on vacation, you look better, you look more well-rested, did you lose weight? The most common thing that we see with people who have facelifts in my hands, people say, no one said much, but they did say that I look good and I look like I lost some weight. And the reason being is when someone has a stronger jawline and neck, typically kind of implies that they may have lost weight or gotten in shape. So that's kind of what our goal is. We also want to have a natural look. We want to make sure that people can still express themselves. We don't want a frozen face, of course. We want to be able to emote, which is so important. And finally, we don't want any alteration to our earlobe position. Frequently, a big tell of someone who's had a facelift is their ears, or their earlobes rather, look either they were free earlobes like mine and now they're connected, or they may have different earlobe positions or something like that. Those are called pixie ears. That's a common complication of a facelift and a real sign of maybe like not great work. So we want to make sure that we don't have that. We want the earlobes to be neutral and for them to stay exactly where they are. So a lot of things go into a facelift. I'm thinking about, when I do a facelift, I'm thinking of literally thousands of things, but that's a couple things that I thought were particularly important for a really nice, natural, yet effective facelift.